Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow turtle poppet.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw the head of our turtle. Then I draw two cute eyes and a very big eye. A smiling mouth and a small oval for his cheek. I continue with his body. And his legs. Now let's divide his body with lines like this. And finally, I draw small circles around it. Incredible!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then orange. Yellow. Light green. Light blue. Purple. Pink. Fuchsia. Then red again, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, pink, light green, light blue, red for the cheek, and pink. Fantastic!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.